Okay, so this video is to show you how to download Excel MegaStat into your personal computer. So now that you guys may no longer coming to college, it's extremely important that you have it installed in your computer. Right. So in order to install it, you're not just going to Google search and download things from the internet. You have it for free through your Connect account. So you have to log into your Connect account. So in your Connect account, first you need to go to the home page. So click on this icon in the left hand side menu. Click on it to access your classes, and then under the drop down menu you can see your class management 2501. Click on it. There you go. So this is the home page, and then you have to go to Media Bank. So that's where you can find most of the resources. So click on Media Bank, and then it'll lead you to this new window, and then you have to access your student resources. Click on it, and then you will see this short tutorial about student resources. You can watch if you like that. And in order to access the student resources, you have to click on this link. So click here to access the student resources, and it will open a new window, and on the left hand side you will see all the resources available. So this list might look different because this is my account, so I have the instructor resources, so your list will be slightly different, but MegaStat will be one of them. And click on MegaStat. Okay, so you can see two versions, one for Windows users and one for Mac users. So this is one place where most students get really confused, is that you don't read. You have to make sure that you read stuff before you start the downloading process. So it says, to access MegaStat, please type in the first word of Learning Objective 6 in Chapter 4 in the Learning Objective summary at the beginning of the chapter as the username and password. So when you go to your textbook, let's go back. Let's access our textbook. So it says Learning Objective 6, Chapter 4. So I need to go to Chapter 4. Okay, click on Chapter 4. Then learning objectives are here. So learning objective 6. Okay, so type in the first word of learning objective 6. First word of learning objective 6. I think you see that. Okay, now I'm ready to download it. So the first link, I'm using Windows, so I'm gonna go with Windows link. Click on it and then type the first word of learning objective 6 as the username and as the password, and click OK. There you go. So it's that simple. So once you click on it, you will see down here it's asking for you to what you want to do with it. I'm just going to open it, and these are the files that we need. And first thing, you need to extract it. It's in a zipped folder, so we have to first extract it. So click on extract and click on extract all. And if you want to save the extracted file, different location, a place where you usually save your stuff, you can do that. Just going to save it under documents. So select folder and then click extract. Here you go. So I can see the new window, extracted window. So all you have to do is you have to open this Excel file, MegaStat installer Windows. Okay, so that's what you need to open in order to install it. Okay, and then you have to click on enable content. Okay, and then sometimes up here you will see another message, another warning message asking for enable editing. So sometimes you may have to click on that as well. So enable editing, enable content, and then check this button down here to agree for their license agreement, and then install. Okay, right, so there's an error which is fine. I will show you that. You can see MegaStat coming up on data tab. Okay, so I'm just going to exit installation, get rid of it, close the Excel, get rid of all of these, and then just open Excel as I would regularly do. So open Excel, okay, a blank workbook, and when I go to data tab, it's not there, right? So we do have a way around this problem. Most of you are going to have this problem. So just follow these steps. So every time you open Excel, you will have to do these steps. So go to File, and all the way down on this list on the left hand side, Options. Click on Options, and then Add-ins. So MegaStat is an Excel add-in. So you go to Add-ins, and you have to click Go button to access all Excel add-ins. So it's there. For some reason it's not showing up by default. So what you need to do is just uncheck it from the list and click OK. Okay, once it's done, go back in same routine. So File, Options, Add-ins, click on Go button, and this time check MegaStat, and then click OK. There you go. Okay, so that way you have to manually get MegaStat on the ribbon. So in every use you will have to do those additional steps, and you will all set to go with MegaStat.